In this section, we are dealing with the landforms of Kerala. Geomorphology is a scientific study of origin of landforms. And about the landforms of Kerala, the major one is Western Ghat, then the Palakkad Gap and the plateaus. For the Western Ghat, it is otherwise known as Sahyadris. It is a chain of lofty mountains running parallel to the western coast of India. It stretches for about 1600 km from Gujarat to the peninsular tip, and it acts as a water divide, and it is a source of origin of 44 major rivers of Kerala. It acts as a climatic barrier too. It is one of the major biodiversity hotspots in India, and it forms the eastern boundary of Kerala with Tamil Nadu, and the highest peak here is Anamudi. The southern portion of Western Ghats is divided into two major portions, Cardamom Hills and Nilgiris and allied hills, and these two hills are separated by Palakkad Gap. Cardamom Hills. It is a part of South-Western Ghats. It is located in southeast Kerala and southwest Tamil Nadu. The name got from cardamom spice. It covers an area of 2,800 square kilometers, and it is a mountainous terrain with deep valleys, peaks, ridges and planation surfaces. Cardamom Hills includes the drainage area of major rivers like Periyar, Pamba and Mullaya. The rest of Cardamom Hills forms the boundary between Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Anamudi in Iravikulam National Park is located in the Cardamom Hills of Western Ghats. Cardamom Hills can be again subdivided into three: Agasthyamala Hills, Anamala Hills and Palani Hills. Agasthyamala Hills is the southern part of Cardamom Hills. It stretches from Aryangaon Pass to the south. The highest peak is Agastyapuram. The wildlife sanctuaries like Neyar and Pepara is located in this wood. The Biosphere Reserve, Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve, is also located here. Then Anamala Hills. It is a central part of Cardamom Hills. It is located in between Agasthyamala Hills and Palani Hills. The name derives from the Malayalam and Tamil word Ana, which means elephant, and Mala, which means hill. And the northern boundary is Varchal Valpare Pass, and the southern boundary is Aryangaon Pass. The 5 national parks in Kerala is located in the Anamala Hills. Palani Hills. It is the northern part of Cardamom Hills, and it is located in between Palakkad Gap in the north and Varchal Valpare Pass in the south. The major part of the Palani Hills is located in Tamil Nadu. The Paramikulam Wildlife Sanctuary and Pichi Varayani Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the Palani Hills. Then the major division of Western Ghats is Nilgiri Hills and the allied hills. Nilgiri meaning Blue Mountains. It is situated in the western part of Tamil Nadu and it is junction of Kerala and Karnataka, so that we can say it is a tri-junction of meeting point of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu state. It is separated from the Karnataka plateau by Moyad River and from the Anamala and Palani Hills in the south by Palakkad Gap. Nilgiris actually represents the southwestern edge of Deccan Plateau. 24 peaks of more than 2000 meter height is located in Nilgiris. Then the Nilgiris is divided into 3: Wayanad Plateau, Paidal Mala and Ranipuram Hills. Next important feature is Palakkad Gap. It is a major break in Western Ghats. It is located in between Nilgiri Hills in the north and Anamala Hills in the south, and its width extends between 30 to 40 km. It has an average elevation of 300 meter, but it rises to 1100 meter in the north and 2000 meter in the south of the gap. The Palakkad Gap acts as a corridor between Coimbatore district of Tamil Nadu and Palakkad district of Kerala. National Highway 47 and Coimbatore-Shorroor Rail link Coimbatore districts of Tamil Nadu with Palakkad of Kerala. It determines the climatic condition of Palakkad because the hot wind that blowing from the Tamil Nadu enters the Palakkad district through this gap, which makes the Palakkad district warmer than other districts of Kerala. Moving on to the plateaus, the first the Munnar Plateau. It is located in Anamala of Cardamom Hills. It is a high explanation surface stretching from 500 meter to 2500 meter with a slope from east to west. It is a region consists mainly of many small towns as well as dams. Periyar Plateau. It is located in Cardamom Hills. It has an elevation ranging in between 700 to 1000 meter. It extends from Pyramid in southwest to Munnar Plateau in the north. It acts as a planation surface of the upper reaches of Periyar River. Nelliyamadi Plateau. It is located to the south of Palakkad Gap and extends up to Pedinakud Reserve Forest. Its height ranges between 700 to 900 meter and the slope is facing southwest. The southern boundary is formed by the Parambikulam Wildlife Sanctuary and Sholaya Reservoir. Finally, the Wayanad Plateau. It is actually the extension of the Mysore Plateau. It is drained by the major rivers like Kabani, Manandawadi and Moyer. And its elevation ranges between 700 to 1400 meter. It is the most densely populated plateau in Kerala. Thanks for watching. See you next day.